Well, this is a presentation about self-driven cars by Rafael and Karla. This is the inputs we are considering from the car, the direction where the person that is inside is going, then all the sensors. The first is the lidar. This camera above the car. It uses an array of 32 or 64 lasers in order to measure the distance from objects, and from this it creates a 3D map with a range of 200 meters. It also has an extra front camera that looks for the enemy hazards such as pedestrians, cyclists, motorcycles, and etc. It also can detect any movement of cyclists for like an arm in order to know if they are going to move and give them enough space. It also has an aerial device for get the GPS position, an ultrasonic sensor in order to detect the car's movement if it is going through a hard way or that kind of things. It also had some internal sensors like gyroscope, altimeter, tachometer. This is for a more precision in the data of how the car is moving. Then we have the outputs. It'll have the speed and acceleration of the car and the direction of where it's going. It has to go left, right, or just to the front.
Right. Based on the Google model, we have a set of questions that is supposed to be what the vehicle does before it performs any action. It's a simple loop that says, firstly, where am I? And the where am I is a process where the car confirms surrounding based on position, GPS, sensors, everything that it has, so it can confirm what it's doing. Secondly is what's around me. What's around me is a second analysis that it basically tells if there's any type of obstacle or any type of hazard to its process or to anything that the action will want to do. Then it's what will happen next, that it's basically a prediction made by the computer that it's all the possible routes and solutions to all the problems and hazards in order to reach from point A to point B. And then is what should I do? That it's the outcome based on the previous process questions. And from this we pass on a loop back to the first loop. Now, based on social analytical implications. And firstly, this is the first mention to the projects previously done by Google. It's the fact that some people will try to actually damage other persons with a car by planting explosives, that it's a common one that it's and driving them to a place where they can kill someone. Secondly is the fact that it may malfunction, that actually this new model proposed by Google, or relatively new, has a manual steering in case of any type of emergencies.
Something important to consider the social and ethical implication is how they are programmed. When driving, all errors are human errors. But if you have a self-driven car, it means that someone programmed that decision. In the case of an accident where someone must get damaged, the car will decide who to damage. The programmer technically will decide who to damage. And in a certain way, this can look like a premeditated case of homicide.